Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you for joining the TPC version 5.1 New Ways to Achieve Storage Efficiency webcast today. I'm Franny Schmidt, your Tivoli User Community Manager, and as part of your community management team, I would like to encourage you to visit our community following this webcast to download this and previous presentations given to our members. Today, Quintus Schulzke will discuss how the Tivoli Storage Productivity Center version 5.1 offers a simplified next-generation user interface and advanced Cognos-integrated reporting capabilities. Quintus is the IBM Product Manager for the Tivoli Storage Productivity Center and IBM SmartCloud Virtual Storage Center. Before we get started today, I would like to cover some administrative details. All phone lines are currently in listen-only mode, and later there will be a question and answer session with instructions being given at that time. You may also ask a question at any time using the chat window located in the control panel. Chat questions will also be answered at the end of this presentation. Today's session is being recorded, and you'll be provided with a copy of the materials following today's call. And with that, I'll turn the presentation over to Quintus. Quintus, take it away.
Thank you, Franny. Here we are, a day after announcement for Tivoli Storage Productivity Center version 5.1, and it's really a pleasure to be with you here today. I also want to introduce another person who's on the call with me, Brian Odom. He's a what we call our SWAT team. I kind of like that name for it. He's part of a lot of our technical deployments of TPC, going into various customers and helping them with that. And I'll let Brian introduce himself a little bit and tell you exactly where he's at today as well.
Yeah, well, Quintus, thanks, and good morning. Glad everybody could join us. As Quintus mentioned, I'm actually on the SWAT team. We're a technical pre-sale support. So we actually work with the sales team. We have worldwide coverage trying to help customers with the architecting and deployment of TPC, especially in proof of concepts and proof of technologies. This is really an exciting week. As Quintus mentioned, 5.1 was just announced yesterday, June the 4th at the EDGE conference here in Orlando, Florida, which is where I'm at this week. And there's been a large group of people that are really interested in TPC 5.1. We have 2 PEDs here this week where we're showing the material that you're going to hear Quintus talk about here just a little bit with the TSO, the tiered storage optimization, and the new UI. And with 2 PEDs, when the doors opened last night, we've had people lined up sometimes 6, 8, 10 deep, standing at these PEDs, watching for the new features and the functionality. So it really is an exciting time. I think you're going to like what Quintus has to show you in the new UI. So Quintus, I'm glad to be here this morning and look forward to participating in the presentation.
All right, thanks, Brian. Now, if you join me going along in this world of storage, what we might call storage out of control growth, managing storage growth has been a major factor, a major storage management pain point. As you look at this particular graphical here, the representation of what people are seeing as their main storage pain points, you can see where a number of things around the growth, managing the costs, planning for capacity upgrades, looking at needing to minimize their performance bottlenecks, minimizing outages and keep a high availability on their SAN, and simplifying their management of their multi-vendor storage devices are all big problems that customers face when it comes to storage. What TPC does for the IT center is it gives you the opportunity to gain comprehensive insights to get you better service delivery. It also gives you SAN policy-driven recommendations for your storage area network, and it gives you the chance to establish your storage service level agreements, achieve the kind of performance that you've guaranteed in those service level agreements, and allows you to optimize your storage utilization and get the best return on your storage investments. So TPC has the ability to help every IT administrator, every storage administrator, depending how you have things set up, accomplish these kind of goals. If you go into the next slide, this is just I'm going to give you a quick look at what TPC is today, only because as we go further into the presentation, as I talk to you more about version 5, you'll see that we've actually introduced a new way of packaging TPC for you now. So I want to at least give you a quick update on what it looks like today. Obviously, you can see these are the things that you need to manage your servers,